Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from Motors&Me. So, a few weeks ago, well, right before I did my previous video, one of my Ford stoplights gave up on me. So today I will show you how you can replace the stoplight bulbs on your Mark IV Mondeo. And while I'm at it, I will also show you how you can replace, well, basically every other bulb on the back end of your Mark IV Mondeo, besides these ones. And I will later tell you why. So earlier in the video you saw that the faulty bulb is on this side. And to access it, you will first need to open the trunk. Bad struts. And behind the light there's a cover you will need to remove. And the first thing you will see is a fuse box. And right above the fuse box you should see the sockets for the left taillight. Hope you can see it. And to work on it you will probably be better off by getting inside the trunk. Oh, let me just do that. Oh, there we are. Okay. So, first, disconnect the power. There's a cable with a clip on, I think it's right side. Let me just remove that. Because of my fat fingers, you won't be able to see anything. Where is it? Come on. There we go. That's the power. And then right in the middle of the socket you will see a clip that you'll need to push down in order to remove it. Let me just do that. And there we go. And to remove the faulty bulb you just simply push it in slightly and twist it counterclockwise. And take it out. There you go. To put the new bulb in, make sure you align these little pins, one on each side, with these little gaps. And make sure you do it correctly because one of the pins, as you can see, goes deeper than the other. And just push it in, give it a twist clockwise. If it doesn't twist, do it the other way around. And there you go. Then get back in the trunk. Put the socket back in, make sure that the turn signal is facing up. Now this can be a little bit tricky. Oh, maybe not. Oh, there it is. Then connect the power. Yet again, sorry for my fat fingers. There you go. That should do it. Let's see. Nice, that worked, surprisingly. But funny, it still showed me that fault message for a fraction of a second, and I even think you could hear that in the video. But it's now gone. Oh well. So that was the left side, and to replace the bulbs on the right side is just as simple. Just remove this little cover. And right up there you should see the socket for the bulbs, right up there. And replacing them is as simple as it was on the left side. And that's how you replace the bulbs on the outer sides of your taillights. But what about the inner sides? Well, for that, oh, why did I close it? Open the tailgate, and right behind the taillight you will see a plastic cover, one on each side. Opening this little cover will be a little bit more tricky, because for that you will need a very special tool. A tool like this. Or if you don't have it, you can simply use trim removal tools. To remove it, simply put the fancy tool in this little gap and give it a twist. Or two. There you go. And now just simply open it using your fingers. And simply opening by using your fingers. Just like earlier, first disconnect the power. This time you can actually see something. And instead of one clip, there are now two. Push them together. And And there it is. It comes out easily. And since these are all good, I'm just gonna put it back in. Connect to power. And there it is. Don't forget to cover. Come on. There we go. And now to this, whatever you call it, middle, third, or additional stoplights. Of course, you can replace the bulbs in there. To do that, why do I keep closing it? Oh. For that, you will need to remove this trim piece. And yeah, it's a pain. So, this thing is held in by 1,000,000 clips, or 12 to be precise. And the clips are located 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top, and 4 somewhere in the middle. I talked to about a couple of Mondeo mk4 hatchback owners and about their experience with it. And they said, well, it's doable, but you're more than likely to break at least 1 clip while doing it. So yeah, I'm not gonna do it unless I absolutely have to. Well, that is, until one of those bulbs goes out. Yeah, that's that. Oh, and if you want to know how to replace these license plate lights, I actually have a video about that on my channel. You can go check it out. So, that is for today. It's already getting dark, as you can see. For my next video, I'm planning to do some work on my 1967 Jeep, so stay tuned for that. But for now, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.